All right, so the last thing you want to do after you install PHP is to install a package called Composer. It's a dependency manager for PHP. This is Composer. So go to getcomposer.org, scroll down, and we're going to download Composer. Now, if you don't know what Composer is just a manager for our PHP. Without Composer, we can't run PHP scripts on our server, right? So go ahead and click on download. This is our installation guide or commands we need to run in order to have Composer up and running. Make sure you are logged into your server. So I'll go to my terminal, and here I am inside my terminal. We want to change directory, so just type cd, do not add anything, hit enter. Now print working directory. We want to make sure we are in our home directory, so make sure you are here, right? Just run these commands as I do. Okay, so next up, what we want to do is we want to go back to our page, and we are going to copy this first line. Copy. We'll go back to our terminal, and we are going to paste that command here and hit enter. Next up, we'll go back to the page, copy our second line, copy. So this will verify your installer. So we copy this, go back to terminal, paste, and hit enter. Installer verified. Next up, let's copy our third line. We copied 2 lines. All right, let me show you. All right, this and that. So first it's going to verify our installer, and it will proceed to install Composer, and that's what we just did right now, right? So installer verified, and we have also downloaded it successfully. So next, let's go down, and we are going to remove our installer. So paste, hit enter. All right, so we've removed that. Now list, so ls, enter, and this is our installer. Now that we have Composer installed, let's just clear our screen, and we want to make it global, right? That means we want to put it in a location where we can run it anytime. So the way we do that is, let's list again. So we're going to move it. So let's put sudo move. I want to move this file called Composer. So Composer to a directory called user local bin. All right, so we want to move it to this location, bin, and we're naming it or renaming it Composer. All right, please let's correct this. All right, it's USR like this. Okay, so sudo move Composer to the user local bin, and want to rename it Composer. All right, now hit enter, and now Composer is located in this directory. Right, now let's see if we can run Composer. So let's put Composer help, and that means Composer is now live or active on our server. Okay, so you can now proceed to install your PHP scripts or upload your PHP website. I hope this video has been informative, and this is a part of my Linux training series. Check them out. Thank you. Bye bye.